create this eye look on this eye, and don't mind that. This is like for like a simple Valentine's look. Very easy, very fast. I always say that, but to me, very easy. I only used 2 brushes actually. Well, 3, but the main ones are these 2. These are Morphe M330 and M505. Okay, and these are the only ones that I use today for this look. And I use this one. You'll see why I'll use this one. But yeah, that's basically all you need for this look. Very easy in my case, I think. Okay, so let me prime. Oh, also I'm using this palette. I love this palette. The shadows are very creamy. I don't know, I just like how they blend. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Morphe, I keep forgetting, prime my lid first. I'm using the concealed one, this one, to prime my lid. I use my finger because I feel like it's very more creamy like that way. So let me just prime my lid. I did my eyebrows off camera, by the way. If you see my eye, especially this one, a little bit red or irritated, is because I try to do some looks before recording and it wasn't working out. Okay, so don't pay attention to the red part of my eye. Okay, so now that it's primed, I'm going with the so I'm gonna go with the Morphe M330, this one. I'm gonna go with the shade Secret, which is next to the concealed one. And I'm gonna go, no, wait, oh my god. I'm gonna go with this one, the 505. I'm gonna go in there with the Secret. I'm just gonna like put it all over basically. Hold on, let me zoom you guys in a little bit to see how, oh, you see how my eye is red? Anyways, so just go everywhere. I'm going circle motion. And I dab or pat it on my lid, and then I just go everywhere. I have another one over there. Okay, so now I did that. I'm gonna go with the 3301. And I'm gonna go with Spank. So over here, I'm gonna dip it like this. This is how I do it, like on an angle. I don't know if you can see that. Like that. I don't go like that. I go on an angle because you'll see why. So I go in the inner corner first, and I pat it so we get the color, and then I go like side to side. Go halfway of my eyelid. until you get like the color that you want. It's so hard. Sorry. Now I'm gonna go with the same brush. I'm gonna go with Love Bite. It's next to Spank. I'm gonna dip it the same way. You know, shake off the rest of the dust, whatever. And I'm gonna pat it the same way. Pat it on my lid. All the way to the inner corner. I'm not the inner corner, to the middle of the lid. Just like that. I hope you guys can see how I'm doing it. I'm gonna get more of that shadow. Same thing, pat pat, all the way. And then what I do, I'm gonna go side to side like that. But I'm not still on the same angle. I'm not going like that, I'm going like this. And then you see I have harsh lines. I just go with the 505 and I just blend it. Blend it. Very like dusting it basically. I'm not really going in hard, I'm just dusting it. Now I'm gonna go again with the 330 with the Love Bite shadow, and I'll go in my inner corner. And I'm just gonna dab the color in, or pat the color in. All the way to meet the other side. Like that. Still patting it, I'm not swiping or nothing like that. I'm gonna go back in, get some more color, pat it. And if you want, you can swipe side to side. So now that's basically it. Well, with the colors, I'm gonna go back with the concealed with the same finger. I'm gonna grab a little bit. I'm gonna pat it right in the middle. Sorry, I'm not giving you the middle finger. Sorry, but I'm gonna go back and go in the middle and just dab it in there like that. I'm not rubbing it. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just patting it down. Go a little bit more. I'm gonna get a little bit more. If you like it like that, leave it like that. I'm just trying to go a little bit more up. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so you could leave it like this. You don't have to, you just set that little area with a like a plain shadow, a new shadow actually. But what I put here, you know, if you're going on a Valentine's Day, you want to look a little bit more glamorous or something, you could add the glitter. But if you want to go more simple, not too flashy, you just apply a nude eyeshadow there and you should be fine. But I'm gonna go with Daydream, and with that middle finger again, I'm gonna use it to apply it right there. Right there. Okay, now if the look is done, okay, if sorry. The look is complete. If you want to add to the lower lash line, go ahead. You could just repeat the same step. You could also do a wing liner if you want. It just all depends on you. But I'm gonna go finish off my face, do my hair, and then I'll come back with the finishing touch. And I'm gonna apply the lashes at the end too, because applying lashes is you know. So I'll be back. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a try. If you guys want to smoke the lower lash line, go right ahead, or do a wing liner, get a new lip, whatever you want to change this look up to make it yours, go right ahead. It was very easy. As you saw, I only needed 2 brushes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, share my video if you want, and see you on the next one.